Welcome everyone to another beautiful day here with ARBITRUM price prediction for late 2023. Couple of days left, less than 7 till the end of the year is right here, and ARBITRUM is advancing. As usually, we've been talking about it, we've been filming videos on the topic, and I've been portraying price predictions, which is exactly how the markets have been listening to the video and then continuing executing. I'm just kidding, guys, but the idea is that we're on the right path, we're in the right direction, and we're having a good time. Now, ARBITRUM is going to be the main topic today, yet we're going to still be with our price prediction of a rational side. We're not going to speak about empty situations, words, or all sorts of numbers that are having nothing to back them up. It's always a video that is pointing together a down to the earth perspective on the market. Before we get into the topic, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and check out basically the other videos on my channel. We have daily price predictions, weekly predictions, monthly, and so on. So you can check out, basically there's many presentations out here. Subscribe as well. We have live trading going on. I'm basically trading, I'm sharing those trades as well. You can check out basically on the shorts tab my trading videos as well where I performed. I'm filming that a little bit out here and giving you some idea on the topic as well. You can join my trades if you think so. Option number 1 is no prior fee. Only commission from the pure profits achieved where we perform the trading for you through API trading permission, and you pay the commission every 7 days. So it's quite simple and straightforward, completely outsourced, and it's based on performance. Now, there's also the one-on-one coaching program with me for anyone out there that is serious about this space and looking to take it to the next level by achieving financial freedom. We're going to talk about this ones at the end of the presentation. Now, ARBITRUM is the big deal, which is actually facing today a major resistance, guys. From the top, we've been retracing big time. This is 9.31% retracement today on the daily candlesticks, which is not a joke. Certainly is not a joke, and it's not supposed to be that big right there. So we would have expected basically a retracement, which is not going to be more than $1.55, yet right now the retracement has gone down to $1.51 on the board. ARBITRUM needs to try fighting back towards the bullishness and close this candlestick above 1.55, which would be a major level for us to discuss with. At the same time, as soon as we're still situated above a huge structure here of bullishness as it's sitting below us. It was a major structure of bearishness, which is why we've pumped like that, due to the fact that we're gaining liquidity on board and we've been taking a major advantage towards the market by finding support on 100 days moving average. The golden cross is going to appear very soon between the 100 days and 200 days. We also have the golden ratio of the cross between 50 days and 200 days, which is what happened a couple of days ago. Now, the situation here is great considering that the retracement is over there and it's appearing. Still no big trouble for long term. You have your major previous supply, current demand at 1.30 holding you. You have that zone right there. You have the previous resistance trending environment line, current support trending environment line holding you. You also have the all-time high golden pocket right there between the two horizontal orange lines. So it's just about a mixture of supports appearing at 1.3. Great to react, great to buy back into the markets and hold some great longs. Of course, liquidity game is huge for ARBITRUM, guys. People need to understand that they were over leveraged. People used 5, 20, 25, 50x trades right here at ARBITRUM, and they got liquidated. Especially there's been people that have been shorting the market, which is not a good deal in my opinion these days. And this is what is actually proving to be on 55% in 8 days. Finally, a lot of you have been waiting, have been sleeping on board, and now it has exploded. It is a crypto which was a giant, and it's still a giant as in continuation of growing. What about the all-time high? The all-time high is still expected, guys. We're not looking for dying at this price. It's just that we needed to deal with this top right here energy, which is tough. And you're not going to expect basically people not to sell when they made so much money. Give them a bit of a time to sell and then become greedy on buying a lot higher and chase the pump by taking ARBITRUM price action to the all-time highs. So give them this opportunity, they are going to follow it. One thing that I'd like to share with you is that some great levels to touch about as soon as we break above the all-time high will be these two mixtures at 2.10, right? 2.10 right there, and the 2.618 at 2.33. Right, those are two levels that I'm going to consider as heavy resistance and board, which is something that I would like to touch on in the upcoming months. At the same time, before we get into that, I do want to make sure we find ourselves in a support between the range of number 1 and 1.618, which is this one. Right, so that's 1.72 up to 1.82. There's a 10 cents area right there, which as soon as you have the 1.618 Fibonacci extension close to your number 1 that starts from the all-time high, if you have a proper structure dedicating to that, then you always have support in between those two levels, which are very important, by the way, not to lose as soon as you break above. Now, that's something that I care about before going to those two highs that we're actually targeting. This is where ARBITRUM sits right now. We have been speaking about all the variables existent, and we're down to the earth with this one. Keep in touch, folks. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, let me know your thoughts as well. Check out the Done For You trading. We have our ChatGPT bot helping us perform, completely outsourced. No big deal for you guys, only commission every 7 days, and that's it. As well, the one-on-one coaching program for anyone out there that is serious about the space, considering it gives us the amazing opportunity to become financial free, then learn how to trade. That's the only thing I can tell you. It doesn't matter if you learn this from me or from others, but don't be part of the group of people joining my coaching, which is situating easily above 85%. That is first losing big money and then trying to learn this business. Big money means at least 90% of their portfolio is gone before they think that they should sort of dedicate time to education, skills, and knowledge. So don't be between the ones. And take this opportunity of the bull market, something that probably after regulatory levels will increase, you're no longer going to see such volatility in the market, guys. So check that out. Feel free to reach out. Register now for a free conversation with me as well. Qualify for a call. Check out the video for a detailed explanation and have a good time.